Hi! Ako si Giano.
Hi fam, this is Ian Pecho.
At ngayon, magpapakita kami ng mga improv short scenes base sa mga tanong na pangkaraniwan na bagay. Halimbawa, what is one place that is common but you've never been to? Abandoned resort.
Resort, okay.
Oh, dami-dami nun, di ba? Okay. Abandoned resorts.
So, anong pinaka-paborito mong bagay na gusto mong dalhin palagi?
Ang makeup,
Makeup?
niya. Okay.
Makeup.
Hala.
Okay.
Nako, so yan ang ating mga prompts kuno. Abandoned na resort at makeup. At bukod pa doon, may pa tayong challenge to our directorial team. So, what's our challenge? Math terms.
Okay.
We have to incorporate mathematical terms into this
Okay.
scene. Oh, good Lord.
Okay.
Education, saan ka na? This! Again, hi, I'm Jano.
Hi, I'm Ian Pecho.
And this is a scene inspired by abandoned resorts
Yes.
and makeup and incorporating mathematical terms.
Yes.
Good luck. We lost another resort. Kahit anong gawin natin, lahat na ginagawa natin mga negosyo, it keeps failing. I don't understand what we're doing wrong anymore.
Talaga hindi talaga gagana yan. Alam mo naman cannot be. Yung mga ginagawa mo kasi, hindi naman pwede yun. Hindi yun applicable sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Paano ka pupunta sa meeting, dala mo makeup?
I'm trying to appeal to the lowest common denominator, okay? And you know what? People love looking pretty. I thought that would work.
Alam mo, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, kailangan mo mag-English kapag may pag-meeting ka.
It makes me sound smart.
That's the point. You make the other guy look so low. Kailangan sila yung magmukhang mataas kasi sila yung client. So, ano gagawin mo? Ikaw yung mataas sa kanila, then sila yung client? Pabababain mo sila?
Oh, you want me to decrease who I am?
No, I want you to be with them as their partner.
Good Lord, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying, Newman.
Alam mo naman, kailangan lahat balanse. Kailangan lahat yan may algorithm. Hindi yung gagawa ka ng sarili mo diskarte.
Okay, alright, so, okay, fine, you're the genius here. Like, you know what's going on. So, tell me, what should we do now, huh?
I'm not the genius here, okay?
Yung pala eh.
Ginagawa ko naman base sa karanasan ko. And it seems na lagi ka lang kumikilos lang sa sarili mo lang. Alam mo, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, hindi naman pwedeng pangunahan natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Dapat iisipin mo din yung kasama mo. Sabihin natin na si client, mahilig kumain, mahilig sa sports. Diba? Hindi pwede sa lahat ng pagkakataon, kailangan mong ipakita sa kanila na mataas ka. Pwede naman yun eh. Kaso nga lang, kailangan ibabalanse mo lahat. Baka mamaya yan, sabihin nila, nagmamayabang ka masyado.
So you're telling me like all of my movements are out of proportion, huh? You have to fix my
No.
ratios at it?
No, hindi ko sinasabing ganun. Ikaw yung nakikipag-meet sa kanila, well actually, props naman sa ginagawa mo eh. Ang sa akin lang naman, ilang beses na kasi tayong nade-decline ng client.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like, our revenue is being subtracted day by day by day.
Alam mo,
Oh, dear Lord.
alam mo, kapag sila nag-explain sa'yo or meron silang gustong ipakita sa'yo, kailangan maging parallel ka sa kanila. Hindi pa pwede na ikaw yung mismong, alam mo sa ginagawa mong yan, lalo babagsak yung company. Kita mo yan. Kailangan pa talaga nagme-makeup palagi.
Just want to feel like I'm a cute person, okay?
Hindi mo ba napapansin na medyo awkward din sa harapan ng ibang tao?
Why? Does it make you feel like I'm so silly or something?
Well, actually, yes. Kinda.
You know what, Newman? That's the thing. You know, you have to embrace who you are. And all you know is how to tear down people and divide who they are.
Yes, but we're...
It's so derivative.
Kailangan natin sila sa kumpanya natin. And you don't have to always do that kind of stuffs. Di mo nakikita mo sa sarili mo? Nagme-makeup ka palagi. Okay, siyempre naman, dapat naman talaga pagharap ka sa client. Pero, my God naman, huwag Alam mo, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sobrang kapal, no?
Oh my God. My God.
Alam mo, sa tingin ko kailangan mo na magpa-psychiatrist.
Oh my God. It's so hard, naman, it's so hard. Like, I feel like I'm split into so many different things. Like, there's only a fraction of myself I can put into any given thing at any time, okay? I'm trying my best. That's why I try so hard to look so good, look so smart, look so composed. But in the end, like the calculus of my being, it's not adding up.
Alam mo, ito lang masasabi ko Kailangan mo magpaka-positive palagi. Ano yan? Kaya ka nagme-makeup dahil sobrang negative mo?
I just want to put my absolute value out there.
Eh, yun na nga Madami ka namang pwedeng i-add sa pagkatao mo I-subtract mo yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi tama sa'yo. Lahat ng nakikita mong positive, i-multiply mo yun. Tapos ngayon, napag-compress mo na sila. I-divide mo naman para at least organized ka. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon, hindi naman lahat ng bagay equal Hindi ka katulad ni client, okay? Minsan may nasa taas, minsan may nasa baba. Hindi proportion yun. Alam mo, I have to go, okay? It makes no sense speaking with you.
Tayo na!